Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 4, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up your Contacts app. So there's actually a difference between, for instance, when you go into a phone and you have contacts, you won't have the option to import contacts, so you actually have to open up the independent Contacts app right here. And from here, tap on the three bars and go into the settings. At the bottom, you will find import and export. Now we're interested in importing contacts. Import contacts from a SIM card, and here you will see all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So you can select all of them, deselect the ones that you don't want, and once you are satisfied, press on the check mark right here and you'll have 3 contacts have been imported, and you're basically done. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.